Hi, everyone. Thanks for checking out your morning update to your daily forecast. I'm meteorologist Mike Witcher. Grab the rain gear. You're going to need it. A soggy start to the day with some scattered showers throughout the day. Another a little bit of a lull in the activity on Friday, and then more rain ramps up on Saturday with falling temperatures and a chance for some mountain snow showers on Sunday. I've got the latest information with your 3-day forecast and your rainfall forecast coming up in just a moment. We still have that flood watch in effect until 7 o'clock tonight. It does encompass much of East Tennessee, where we see some of the heaviest snowfall, where the rainfall forecast is expected to be the heaviest. That's where we do have that flood watch, and that runs until 7 o'clock this evening. So elevated rain chances for the day today. Also again on Saturday, a little bit of lull activity on Friday, and then temperatures and the storm system will start to move its way on out throughout the day on into our Sunday. But remember, percentages of rainfall doesn't tell you the whole story. It doesn't tell you intensity, timing, or duration. So let's tell you the rest of the story. We have that elevated risk from the Weather Prediction Center today, tomorrow, and also on into our Saturday for some localized flooding. As we continue to pile up the rain and the snow has melted away, that's what could lead to some isolated flooding concerns. So through the day today, we start the morning off nice and mild. It feels pretty good outside. Even by noon, we're going to be right around 60 with some scattered showers, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder, but that should be about the extent of it. So here's your future cast. You can see how the rain's going to be settling its way on through. Again, a few breaks here and there. It's not going to be an all-day washout, but more rain expected to ramp back up as we get into the second part of our day. So for the evening rush hour and bedtime, we'll probably have a lot more rain returning to the area. But forecast highs, look at this. We're trending about almost 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. And into the evening hours, it's going to be nice and comfortable with a few scattered showers, temperatures in the 60s for the evening rush hour, dinner, and bedtime. And then overnight tonight, we're not going to see a whole lot more activity, so a little bit of a drier pattern to start our Friday, and Friday is going to be trending a little bit drier throughout the day as well. Morning lows are going to be nice and mild. Friday morning, we wake up with temperatures in the 50s, well above even our average high temperature for this time of the year, and not a lot of activity expected throughout the day on Friday. So we are looking at a partly cloudy, maybe mostly cloudy sky and a drier day, but temperatures staying warm. So a nice way to end the work week. We're going to be in the 60s for sure. When you look at your 3-day forecast, we'll drop into the upper 50s on Saturday, and then more seasonable weather returns on into our Sunday. Rainfall forecast, when all is said and done, we're talking anywhere from 2 to 3, maybe even pockets of 4 inches of rainfall. But remember, I said there's some wraparound moisture and colder air on the backside. Yeah, maybe a little bit of light snow across the highest peaks of the Smokies, the foothills. Not expecting a whole lot there, maybe a few flurries to a light dusting on the plateau, and that should be about the extent of it. So we sure hope you have a great day. Try to stay as dry as you can, and thanks for checking out your daily forecast update.